welcome back to another video with Tony's Phone Collection. Today we're going to be unboxing this phone that I picked up as well. This is a HTC EVO 4G with the box. Let's see, that's it in there. So as you see, there's an eBay card, it looks like. Yep. So here it is. There's a phone. Let's see, got a battery. No charger or anything like that, which is fine. There. Does have an 8 GB SD card, it looks like. Ooh, the battery's pretty bulged up. I'm not sure that's going to hold the charge at all. It looks to be dead, as I would imagine with a battery like this, but condition wise, phone looks to be in good shape actually. Got the kickstand built in, so there's that. Yeah, so I'll have to charge it and see that battery even holds the charge, and we'll do an update and all that stuff on this one as well. So hope you guys enjoyed the video and stay tuned for the next one.